Hey, friends! Ever wondered how your home lights up or your toys move? It's all about energy. And guess what? You can be an energy superhero too. Stay tuned because we've got something awesome for you at the end. Let's explore at home with energy. Things around us function with the use of energy. We see a lot of them at home. The most common form of energy we use is electricity. Appliances are plugged into a power outlet, while smaller gadgets use batteries. Because of electricity, televisions and game consoles keep us entertained. Air conditioners and heaters help regulate indoor temperature. Lots of things in the kitchen run on electricity too. We can plug in a mixer to help us bake or a refrigerator to store and keep food safe. Entertainment, cooling, cooking, and yes, cleaning. To keep our house tidy, we use vacuum. To cook and keep warm, we need things that emit heat. Stoves, ovens, and some heating systems use a form of a gas called propane. And then there is light when lamps and fixtures keep our home bright. They function with the use of electricity and emit light and heat. What forms of energy made you curious? Have a look outside and see what examples you can find. Guess the gadgets which are circled. Comment your answers if you know. Thanks for joining us on this energy adventure. Remember, you're all energy superheroes now. Stay tuned for more fun surprises in the world of At Home with Energy. See you next time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to join our energy saving squad. Together, we can make a big difference.